look at me with that fierce face, but at least let me in defense. For it's time to fancy and fancy. Fantasy never felt before. Feel me, oh, spherical form, free me. Childhood is being done. Now it's time of today and tomorrow. East from east, it's full of mist in my view. Tell me, is there one of the best who can figure how to trigger the times of your war? Oh, never mind. Now the earth hath she, though it fades, and she fades too. Plan after plan, word postponed to be told, dull but charming in my view, potion sun's hue. This scent might be new, maybe it's my mew, for heart's due. Is it maiden or Eden that the glory was hidden, and none can harden it back to my soul? And there's a flash of inferiority, yet maturity. Oh, or maybe it's matter of immunity. Thou, come again, let me reign, for I can't hold this reign till the end of the race. I eager to embrace thee, but damned time, this rhythm sounds so sad. Now, with this melancholy, the burdens that bore, and his ver witness maybe, or it's a desert, I murmured. Oh, this is not near here, do not take off my eyes with thy beak, O vulture, let it be by nature. In yonder, there is crimson carrions, fly that free sky, get there, take your meal, but please spare the living human being. Fly, I said fly. I am sleepy, and I'm about to take a break, but I'm afraid of your beak. If you mind, O vulture, feed on snakes, herons, and wolves. Do not tear the carrions of men. They were heroes in their times, and I adore them. If you dare, I will trap and tear you up, as I dream teeth before in the night. I wanted to hold finest Peggy, whom sent name Matty, but once you turn around, she becomes scared and run. O vulture, let this be by nature. For the sake of my joy and my love, I will take off your wings. You will no longer fly. Then I will make you creep on during dinner with my charming Peggy.